Hi everyone, welcome back to Sisters Initiative. Today we're going to be taking initiative and making breakfast for our family. So today we're going to be making pancakes with this Bisquick pancake mix. And we're going to be using a rubber spatula and a plastic bowl. And we're also going to be using a stove. So if you do this at home, make sure you have a grown-up with you because we're going to be cooking. Wait, but we need the ingredients, right? Oh yeah. Let's get the ingredients. Come on. Ready? Amazing. Wait, but where's the ingredients we put in there? Okay, guess we'll have to get it. Wow, that was so cool. Now we have all the ingredients. All right, so first I'm going to read the recipe. The recipe says, for the classic pancakes, it says we have to have 2 cups of this. And we have to have 1 cup of milk. And then we have to have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Lastly, we have to have 2 eggs that are right here. And to make sure that it doesn't go everywhere, you have to have it on a table or in your kitchen. You're going to need a bowl, vegetable oil, milk, a spatula, some Bisquick mix, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon and 1 cup. We're also going to need a glass one that at least goes up to 2 cups. Okay, so next we're going to need to get all the ingredients and put it in. All right, now it's time to get all the ingredients inside this bowl and mix it up. So first, we need 2 cups of the Bisquick pancake and baking mix. So Autumn is going to hold this over the bowl. Well, actually, I might scoop it. So we're going to open it up and scoop. Alright, so we just cleaned our hands so they're not icky and gooey. And now we need to mix it because we cleaned up a little bit so that we don't have everything in the way. So I'm going to mix it for a little bit and then Autumn's going to. Alright, so we have our butter on the pan and we're about to just pour a little bit of the pancake onto the pan because we want it to be the perfect pancake and make sure it's nice in a circle. So I'm just going to take this and gently pour it. Can you hold the spatula? Gosh, I can't. Pouring it. Oh, no, don't let go. Alright, so I'm just going to, actually no, I can hold the spatula. Pancake batter.
That's
Just until it's
good.
That much.
And then I can spread
Let it drip.
Drip,
Okay.
drip, 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 drip.
We'll go take that.
I want
Scrape
to put it right next to the edge.
Yep. And now we have to wait until you see bubbles on the pancake. And then that's how you know that it's all done. So if you've never made pancakes before, then you can just watch this video because we tell you all how to make the pancakes. So I just finished putting all the pancakes on, and now we're going to show you the table because Autumn was setting the table up, and we're going to show you what our family breakfast is going to look like this morning.